afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
This one also has a
Blackford
tornado
County,
possible
Western
tag.
Bay County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hartford City, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following
They're
impacts
just
are expected.
issuing them everywhere.
Is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage.
There
is
isn't
also
even
likely
a
to
watch.
homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Issue a watch at the very
The
least.
severe thunderstorm will be near Montpelier around 4:05 p.m.
That's
Eastern Daylight
lovely.
Time.
Meanwhile, in
Painesville around
Ohio,
4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dunkirk around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
what is this?
Red Key around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Center, Blaine, Powers, Trenton, Roll, New Mount Pleasant, Mill Grove, and Como. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter
Oh,
inside a
tornado
strong
watch.
building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford and Jay. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware, Randolph, and northeastern Henry counties will expire